Segmentation for e-commerce. Why behavioral segmentation? Behavioral segmentation is an easy win for marketers. By recognizing patterns within your web traffic, you can cater to large groups among your users before drilling down to create a detailed personalization strategy within those visitor segments. This means you can cater to these large groups easily with small tweaks to your on-site marketing strategy. Combining behavioral segmentation with demographic, geographic, and psychographic segmentation is a powerful way to understand more about your audience and from this deliver personalized experiences. Now we'll see some ways to segmentation. When practicing website optimization, leveraging visitor segmentation helps provide a framework for your customer journey strategy. Experimenting with the data you gather from specific visitor segments, interacting with your site will help you to provide a more personalized experience. But with hundreds of data points available, creating segments worth focusing on can be a challenge. Often the marketer needs to categorize objects into groups or clusters so that the objects in each group are similar and the objects in each group are substantially different from the objects in the other groups. Customer segmentation is the practice of dividing a customer base into groups of individuals that are similar in specific ways relevant to marketing, such as age, gender, interests, and spending habits. New visitor segmentation. New visitors are an important segment to personalize for, but at this point in the customer journey, you don't know too much about them. So understanding their behavior is key. Generally, new visitors make up a hefty majority of website traffic for both retail and travel at around 55%. They also derive they also drive the most revenue, 40% and 44% for retail and travel sites respectively. So they need to be carefully nurtured and led either to the checkout or to a micro conversion, like signing up for an email newsletter. Generally, for new visitor, you want to ensure they know what you are all about as soon as possible. Keep them on the site as long as possible. Learn more about them through their on-site behavior. Get an email address or other useful data before they leave your site. Returning visitor segmentation. The returning visitor segment is made up of people who haven't purchased before but who have visited your website before. They have the highest average order value across both retail and travel. So keeping them happy should be a priority. One key expectation that consumers today have is that you remember a little bit about them. 63% of consumers expect you remember their preferences and data across all channels. When it comes to behavioral segmentation, this means treating them differently than the last time they visited, especially if they have shared data with you. It doesn't have to be complicated. A simple welcome back message evolved from when they were a new visitor shows they are not just another number, creating the same feeling you get when a shop assistant recognizes you. This is also another opportunity to secure their email address if you didn't get it first time around. While this approach can work well for retailers, especially a grocery where there is a lack of loyalty, you might want to approach longer, higher value purchases slightly differently. Considering the likelihood of higher order value from returning visitors, there is an opportunity to personalize based on basket value. Considering the likely retaining customer segmentation. Retaining customers, that is, those who have already made a purchase with you but aren't yet loyal customers, are another segment that needs tailored attention as they are guided towards becoming a loyal customer. Retaining customers typically have a higher average order than loyal customers. To guide this customer segment towards becoming high value customers, VIP messaging and perks like gifts with purchase are another way to engage them and grow the relationship. Gifts with purchase can be an effective strategy for a variety of segments, but ensure the messaging is tailored to the returning customer. Gifts with purchase can be an effective strategy. Loyal customer segmentation. Customers who have returned time and again, purchasing multiple times, and or who have a high lifetime value are a small but hugely important segment. With this segment, you can really start to focus on personalization since you will have plenty of data from the customer's previous purchases. For example, a fashion shopper's previous purchase data could be used to recommend an extra item to increase order value. This can be highly personalized by recommending complementary products to go with what they have already got in their cart as they reach the checkout page, similar to the way in stores checkouts are merchandised with additional products. Another way to personalize this segment is to offer highly tailored discounts based on preferences shown in the past. For example, if they have a preference for a particular brand or product, showing special promotions for those brands. There are also the kinds of customers who may act as promoter on your behalf. So another way of extracting value from them is to suggest social sharing or to offer referral codes. Finally, you might also want to ask those happy customers for a review. We have found that this works best when it is well timed after a recent purchase. Thank you.